The plumbers don't want you to know this secret. To start, you will need an empty soda bottle. Cut the bottle in half using scissors or a knife and keep the longest part. Now look for a broomstick or an old trapper that you no longer use and place the end of the stick in the mouth of the bottle so that it is well adjusted. To secure it, take a screwdriver and a screw and then fix the stick. Once you have built your own homemade vacuum cleaner, it is time to prepare the solution to unclog. Add a generous amount of salt to the vacuum cleaner as it will help loosen the cap. Then add baking soda, which when combined with salt will create a powerful effervescent effect for cleaning. To minimize unpleasant smells, add a couple of aromatic disinfectant caps. Insert the mouth of the bottle into the tube of the vacuum cleaner as deep as you can. Push hard and persistently, following the indications shown on the screen. You will notice how it gradually uncovers. This trick is much more effective than traditional suction pumps, since the bottle fits perfectly into the tube of the vacuum cleaner, generating a stronger compression. Subscribe for more tips.